Our gut is often called our second brain. It's not just about digesting food, it impacts our entire body. A healthy gut helps us feel good, both physically and mentally. Many people don't realize how important gut health is. They might think it only affects our digestion. However, gut health is connected to our immune system, our mood, and even our weight. Taking care of our gut is crucial for our overall well-being. It's like tending to a garden inside us. We need to nourish it with the right foods and avoid things that can harm it. By understanding our gut and how to keep it healthy, we can lead happier and healthier lives. There are many myths surrounding gut health. Let's debunk some common misconceptions. One myth is that all bacteria are bad for us. This is not true. We have good and bad bacteria in our gut. We need a balance of both for a healthy gut. Another myth is that probiotics are a quick fix for all gut problems. While probiotics can be helpful, they are not a magic solution. It's important to consume a variety of fermented foods for a diverse microbiome. Lastly, some people believe that a gluten-free diet is necessary for everyone. Unless you have a medical condition like celiac disease, a gluten-free diet may not be necessary. It's crucial to separate fact from fiction when it comes to gut health. Always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Digestion is an amazing process. It's how our bodies break down food and absorb nutrients. It all starts in the mouth, where we chew our food and mix it with saliva. Then it travels down the esophagus to the stomach. In the stomach, food is mixed with acids and enzymes that break it down further. Next, it moves to the small intestine, where most of the nutrients are absorbed. Finally, the remaining waste products travel to the large intestine, where water is absorbed. This is also where our gut bacteria reside, playing a vital role in digestion. Understanding the digestive process helps us appreciate the complexity of our gut and the importance of each step. Section 4. The gut microbiome, a universe within. Our gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as the gut microbiome. This diverse community of bacteria, fungi, viruses, and other microbes plays a vital role in our health. Think of your gut microbiome as a garden. A healthy gut has a diverse range of plants and flowers, just like a diverse microbiome. These tiny organisms help us digest food, produce vitamins, and strengthen our immune system. They also protect us from harmful bacteria and influence our mood and behavior. The composition of our microbiome is unique to each individual and can be influenced by factors like diet, lifestyle, and medication use. Section 5. The gut-body connection, far-reaching benefits. The gut microbiome is intricately connected to various aspects of our health, extending far beyond digestion. A healthy gut contributes to a strong immune system. Our gut acts as a barrier against harmful pathogens, and a balanced microbiome helps train our immune cells to recognize and fight infections effectively. Research suggests a strong link between gut health and mental health. Certain gut bacteria produce neurotransmitters like serotonin, which play a role in regulating mood, sleep, and appetite. Furthermore, the gut microbiome influences our metabolism and weight management. Studies have shown that an imbalance in gut bacteria can contribute to weight gain and metabolic disorders. Maintaining a healthy gut is crucial for our overall well-being, supporting a robust immune system, balanced mood, and healthy weight. Section 6. Protecting your gut, avoiding harmful habits. Certain habits can disrupt the balance of our gut microbiome. A diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats is a major culprit. These foods promote harmful bacteria and inflammation. Excessive alcohol can damage the gut lining. Stress also negatively impacts gut health. Chronic stress alters the microbiome and causes digestive issues. Certain medications, especially antibiotics, disrupt the gut microbiome. Antibiotics can kill beneficial gut bacteria. Minimizing these habits is crucial for gut health. Section 7. Nurturing your gut, simple steps for a thriving microbiome. Taking care of our gut health doesn't require drastic measures. Simple, sustainable changes can make a big difference. Consume a diverse diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and fermented foods. These foods provide prebiotics, feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and kimchi introduce beneficial bacteria. Managing stress through yoga, meditation, or nature benefits gut health. Prioritize sleep for overall and gut health. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Adopt these habits to nourish your gut microbiome and lead a healthier life.